it's time for us to talk nutrition. Remember,
Yeah.
the truth of the matter is that this Christmas, we are spoiling ourselves. But we have to also remember that there's life after Christmas.
It's necessary.
So we need some tips to make sure that, you know,
as we give to
as we
God
go,
what is God's and sees of what He sees,
Yeah, I
you
know,
know.
right?
We are making merry this Christmas,
Yeah.
you know. And Akosia is here.
Yes,
President.
to make sure that, you know, she guides us along the right path.
So we don't go
As to whether you
extremely
pay attention
astray.
or not, that's up to you.
No,
You
we'll pay
have to
attention to it.
Yeah.
We'll pay attention
Akosia,
to it. Akosia,
how
we'll
are
pay
you?
attention to
I'm
it.
awesome. Yourself?
Yeah. Well, we want to try and be good students. So
Minister of Enjoyment, deputy.
Yeah. No. And we are very unapologetic about it. You should have seen us on Friday.
yeah.
But you're looking beautiful.
Thank you
I love
so
your
much.
outfit.
Thank you so much. You look awesome too.
Thank you.
We are going to
Afishata.
the Queen afterwards.
Oh yeah.
Messiah.
No, we are here in Ghana, and this is how we do it.
I feel come Messiah.
Thank you very much. But it's Christmas. We are eating, we are drinking, we are making merry. What do we have to be watchful about?
Okay, so this year we've preached a lot as far as your nutritional well-being is concerned.
Yeah.
And when it gets to Christmas, I am always relaxed watching people because January they'll come with relapses. So it happened last year. Almost every year I have to go through that. Your clients will come back to you and you have to start all over.
Yeah.
Even if you had started 3 months before Christmas, because I'll come to Freema's house. Frema will give me something to eat, and obviously as culture demands, you can't give me something and you are somewhere else. You are not even tasting it. My dad is a northerner. They give you something and sometimes they have to taste some
it first.
before or
Yeah.
taste it before
Yeah.
they give it to you. So people are tempted to always indulge.
Yeah.
My client, for instance, her grandchildren were in Ghana, and oh, granny, you need to take some. You need to take. This is pizza. This is cake. This is what. This is what. And so we realize that people indulge, forgetting that some have issues, or you will need to do them with some form of decorum to it, so that you don't end up finding yourself in trouble. And I keep preaching because I always use myself as an example. Last Saturday I wasn't too well, so I decided to go check up after church, and I realized that my white blood cells had dropped the count. So it means that my immunity has been
low.
compromised to an extent. And the last time I checked my HB, I was 13.8. They were all clapping for me. Surprisingly, Saturday, my HB had dropped.
Wow.
So I will sit here and preach. I'm telling you because I want you to know that even being a professional, 1, 2, 3 can put me in a compromised position. Now I have to work on myself, just as I tell you to work on yourself. So don't joke with some of these things we talk about. There are some key points I want us to quickly know.
Okay.
So just be informed, make decisions so that 2022 we can stay fit. Be here 2022 December around this time, and by the time you're talking about these points, you can say that, oh, I did ABC and I've gotten this. It's been 3 years with the nutrition segment. You have to live whatever we are telling you. So know your BP. It should be normal, your blood pressure. So our blood pressure is responsible for the pumping of blood in our hearts and how our arteries are able to resist them. So that is very technical, but then make sure you have a normal blood pressure, and that is 120/80. That is the normal or the range, but you can be 110 depending on the values you have, and your clinician or whoever is taking care of you can better help you understand. So if you were somebody who wasn't even paying attention to all these things, these are the core mandates of your physical well-being. So just make sure you have a hold of it. You can enter just a pharmacy once a month.
I mean, these days there's quite a number of pharmacies that
and
provide
check
service.
that. So your blood pressure, know your HB. As I sit here, the last time I checked, mine had dropped to 10 point something, and I have to get to the normal. For a woman, I need to be between 12 to 16 grams per deciliter. For a man, you need to be between 14 to 18 grams per deciliter, being a boy to the aged. So let us all be guided. And then once you do the full blood count, you do the HB, it will bring out your WBC and other information. If your white blood cells has dropped, it means that there is a problem, because that is helping us fight the flus, especially with the weather. And this Omicron is deadlier than what we saw initially. It is spreading faster now. Almost everybody is coughing. Everybody has a flu, so it is very difficult for you to know if this is really COVID or this is Harmattan infused. So we need to make sure our immunity is not compromised on in any way. So whatever you need to do to boost on your immunity, we've spoken about it. I'll go over again because it might be your first time. Vitamin C. Family foods, we have the citric fruits, oranges, pineapple, watermelon, mango. Making fruits part of your meals will make sure that you have vitamin C. The same with vitamin A for eye health, for a lot of other benefits, for reproductive health. And then vitamin D, we get sunlight exposure. For some people, there is supplementation. For others, depending on even the diary or the product you are using, you can have some amount of fortification done as far as vitamin D is concerned. Vitamin E, also important for immunity. We have selenium, iron, folate. We have zinc, which is not just for immunity, for men too. It helps as far as your reproductive health and fertility is concerned. And then we have selenium, also very, very good. So the nuts, the pulses, the seeds, you eating from the 4-star diet category, that is the animal protein and products, you eating the staples, what we call the carbos, fruits and vegetables, essential oils, pulses, nuts or legumes being part of your meals. We make sure you are supplied with all these nutrients. That is very crucial for boosting on your immunity. So that is the 4-star diet. 2022, let us be guided. Even as we make merry, we can make nice juices from some of these fruits. We can make these part of our meals. Yes, it's always bread and butter. I heard you saying twist it a little bit, a bit of salad. Hey, from my pet, she said croissant. You can twist your bread. You can have plain salad on the side. Just twist it and make sure that you are making merry whilst taking charge over your health, because whatever has gone on when I went to check probably happened in a week. Because last week I preached that I was okay. It doesn't mean I'm sick, but where I am supposed to be, I am not there. And so for me, sitting here to preach, I have to make sure I let you know, because I have to live it. So you know your fasting blood sugar levels and your random blood sugar levels. There are a lot of blood sugar spikes happening now in the system because people are indulging. So January, if you like, dare me, go to the hospital after Christmas.
I won't dare you.
So go check. You will see that there are spikes. And if you continue to experience spikes, you are increasing your chances of being diabetic at the end of the day. So do your checks. You can just go to a good lab, make sure the test is done for you, and if you know there is a problem, we've served you a lot of goodness. You can go on YouTube and learn a thing or two. And then you should know your BMI. That's your body mass index. The normal range is 18.5 to 24.9. And you should know your waist to hip, you should know your waist to height, and then you should know your body composition. What is making you big? I used my mother as an example. She won't arrest me. I said she was born that way, and that woman can just drink water and it is happening. There are some people, carbohydrate is making it happen. There are others, they love a lot of protein, and that is what is making it happen. For some people, they enjoy a lot of butter, fat, and stuff, and that is what is making it happen. So you need to know your body and know that when I indulge in a lot of carbs, I find out that I'm adding a lot of kilos. So know what is causing that and know exactly what to do, because if what is causing mine is not what is causing yours, that's why people hate the gym and they are not getting results. Because you don't even know what you are trying to fight. I don't hate the gym trying to fight to grow lean, because me naturally this is how I am.
So you go there for fitness.
So I go there for fitness, and as I've said it, I will say it again. I've lost some kilos I'm still looking for after 5 years. So you can't be my motivation, because as far as I'm concerned, you are unhappy about your mid-session. For me, everything about me is okay. I'm still looking for my kg. So if I hit the gym, I'm going to build or bulk up or build some muscles. So that is it. You should know your goal. You should know your body type. If you are mesomorph, what is good for you. If you're an ectomorph like myself and Mr. Avle, you know what to do. If you are an endomorph like my mother, who can even become big with water, you should know that, okay, I can indulge in aerobics. I can go the extreme. But if you are an ecto like me, we struggle to build on. And so even for the working out, the gymming, we have to be guided, or else we will keep coming down. So you need to know that your weight height, you need to eat from the 4-star diet. That is a balanced diet. We've spoken about that. You need to really stay hydrated.
Awesome.
The season has made it such that drinks that have corn syrup are replete, is everywhere. You know, talk to us about healthy drinks, juices, vis-a-vis, you know, whatever else.
So I will say it again. If anybody writes pure juice on something and it has sat on the shelf for more than 3 months or even a week, they are lying to you. That is a drink. It means that we have the juice from the pulp of the fruit plus syrup infused in it. And it is funny sometimes because they will write mango juice. You are tasting nothing mango about it. Apple juice, you can't even feel apple. So it's just something that has been dropped in there. Grapefruit, you can't taste fruit. I always tell people, if they tell you it is mango juice and you cut mango and you can't have the same feeling, somebody is lying. Because if you squeeze juice, orange juice right now, and leave it in the studio for 3 days, not even 3 days, beyond 24 hours, you can't take it.
So preservatives.
So there are preservatives in there. That is the business side of it. I'm here to preach health to you. So if somebody has squeezed orange juice and it is in a box, in a paper, in a conco, whatever it is, and they've said that this is juice, it is not true. It's a drink. There are other things. A drink and a juice, that's the difference. There is syrup, there are preservatives. That is it. So that is what I would tell you. Drinks can stay longer because of what sits in there. Juices, ready on the go. They are fresh. They taste as it should be. So basically, that is
now,
what
one thing I also want us to touch on is children, babies. You know, at this time, you realize that we give them bits and pieces of everything we are eating. A bit of cake, then you give the baby. A bit of biscuit, then you give them. A little bit of drink, then you give them. Because we are all happy, and you know, sometimes we tend to
like we're sharing
lose
that joy and
ourselves when
happiness.
we are in that season. How do we manage this?
So you can even, children love to play. And like when you come to the hospital, some of the mothers are like, the baby is crying. They are not my children, but some way, somehow, I manage to make them feel welcome. You need to always lobby with a child. I tell mothers, you need to always lobby, and you need to kind of award a child. For instance, you can say that, okay, today we are having kebab made with watermelon.
Okay.
They love stuff like that. So let's say you just make one watermelon
kebab.
and then fruit kebab and then put grape in there. They are enticed by colorful stuff. They are enticed by colorful stuff. They love colors. So you put, let's say, you can put pineapple, and then you create a hole, put this grape inside, and go like, we want to see who will finish theirs faster. I always say that you need to really be playful. When mothers come and I'm playing with their children, they are like, hey, I'm like, you don't have time for the child. Every child can be managed. It's difficult for me to manage you, Freema, but I can manage a child. I take every baby that comes.
But
to
you know, sometimes we are also so stressed. You can't just be playful, you know.
Yeah.
Your mind doesn't even go there. No. I'm really
I mean, the
telling you
stresses
because
of life are real.
Exactly.
But
you
you
know?
see, it's a season. Most parents are home. I'm sure after the show you will be going home.
Some galamsey somewhere.
So let's say that on the average, a lot of parents are home.
I mean, on holidays.
So you can just twist it, like the watermelon thing I spoke about. Your child loves stars. You can cut a star out of it. Your child, they love things that kind of entice them.
It's a healthy activity.
And you can do that. And afterwards, award them. Okay, this child likes pizza. Even when it comes to dealing with babies who are big. Sometimes I tell mothers, the child is going to do A, B, C, D for us to be able to achieve what we want.
Yeah.
Okay, so once in the week, if she's able to do that, let's do something for the child too. So if you're able to finish your fruits, next weekend, if you are diligent, I had a client like that. It's very difficult to work on that child. She can just order, and then by the time the mother is aware, delivery is at the house. Your child called because she has a phone, she has a tablet. That is how Accra babies and Kumasi babies are being trained. And so she can just...
COVID has also brought us here.
So she
Yeah.
can buy
Yeah.
whatever she wants, and she's putting on. Do you know what? The child told the mother, call her, I've eaten what she said I should eat, because I managed to convince the child, if you are able to go this mile this weekend, this is what you are going to be given.
Reward.
Yes. And so she was excited about getting the pizza at the end of the day.
You know, I think that these are habits, you know, that we need to put in young people,
Yeah.
so they grow with it. Because, like you rightly said, I mean, for us, we are already bent, you know, so we can actually straighten
difficult,
the
yeah.
children, and this is the time to do that.